Hey everybody, Brian Scrone, Jim Shields with Board Meetings. So excited you signed up to be with us tomorrow out in the surf. Just a couple quick reminders. We're going to meet you tomorrow morning in the lobby at the Grand Wailea at 8:50. All you need to bring is some sunscreen and a towel. We'll take care of everything else.
Sure, some of you saw the videos by now where we took out the whole Awesomeness Fest crew and some of the speakers throughout the week, and we had a great time. We're looking forward to doing the same for you. So again, as Brian said, just bring sunscreen and a towel and a smile. We'll take care of everything else, including some amenities and food. We're going to have a great time. We'll see you tomorrow at the Grand Wailea, 8:50. Take care, guys.
Thanks.